Come here, baby. Come here. May Eve, come here, darling. Come here.
He says he's been writing country songs for a long time.
Come here. Come here, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on, darling. Come here. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, May Eve. Want me to help you? Want me to help you? Want me to help? May Eve, look. Want Abuela to help you? Want Abuela to help you? You could do it. You get a little high anxiety. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Want me to help you? Want me to help you, darling? Let me help you. Let Abuela help you, okay? Come here. Come here. May Eve, I can help you. Look. Come here. There you go. You could do it. You could do it. You could do it. Come on. You're doing it. Yay! Yay, you did it! You did it! Good girl. Yeah, good girl. That was tough. That's a big step. What a big step. You did it. You did it, sweetie pie.